upon the living area where the beautiful interior work is done for your reference with parallel fitting platforms, and in spite that we have ample spacious room, the most spacious room of the house. Why to buy in a new community when you can be part of an incredible established township loved by many families? Welcome to Encore Pebble City Phase 3. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the sample flight tour of Encore Pebble City Phase 3 by Encore Group, which is located in Kelambakkam, Chennai. And right now we are here on the actual land parcel of the project, so let me show you the surrounding. I'm standing exactly in front of the marketing office. Just behind me is the marketing office and the entrance of our township is right over here. Once you enter, the land parcel goes up to 42 acres of this township and the land parcel for Phase 3 is inside itself. Now, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via 3D model. Part of a 42 acre of integrated township, Pebble City Phase 3 spread across 11 acres with 8 towers of stilt plus 14 floors, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK homes. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you 35 plus lifestyle amenities like you get a cricket ground of 2 acres. Here's the basketball court, open party lawn. Here's the clubhouse with many more luxurious amenities. Now let's discuss about the location part, and our project is located bang on Rajiv Gandhi Sarai Road in Kelambakkam, Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where the main entrance is coming up on my back end side, and just in front of me is the Rajiv Gandhi Sarai Road. Well, this road is taking you towards Tirur Porur and the opposite side road will take you towards Paddur. Now about the further connectivity and location part, where you can connect to D-Mart is 3.1 km, SMK Fomra Institute is again 3.1 km away, Chettinad Hospital that is 3.3 kilometers away from our project. Now let's head towards your 3 BHK model flat of 1024 square feet super built-up area, and here's the main entrance of our house just over here. So once you enter through the main entrance, this main entrance will directly lead you towards your living and dining area. So this living and dining area comes up with vitrified flooring. And now let's focus upon the living area where the beautiful interior work is done for your reference with the sofa set. You can add up your sofa set in this way or else even in L shape. Now exactly in front of the sofa set, they have offered you with a TV unit space in the center of the house. Now over the second point, that is your beautiful and spacious dining space, and here you can add up 6 to 4-seater of dining area, that is a dining table like this, and they have a connecting balcony to your dining area. So this is your balcony space that comes up with anti-skid flooring, iron railing, and this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now we'll be moving further towards your kitchen area. So your kitchen area is right towards the entrance. So once you move further, right over here is your kitchen area, and the layout is in such a way where you can add up parallel fitting platforms, and in spite that we have ample of space where 2 people on both the side can work easily. Here you can have a look, they have a perfect interior done with the cabinets, the platform, all the white goods it's set as well. Now about your utility space, so yes, they have a perfect utility space right over here, which comes up with anti-skid flooring divided by a tile rope to avoid the water spillage. Provision for the machine is offered and even a window. Now moving further towards your bedroom space. So here we have 1 bedroom on the one side and other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the house. Here one thing to mention, they have a common washroom in the center of the house. Let's quickly have a look at the common washroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting. So basically over here, your bedroom number 1 won't get much disturbed from the kitchen area because in the center we have the washroom area. Now let's quickly enter towards your bedroom number 1. So this is your bedroom, and you can use this bedroom in a multi-purpose way, as they have made it as a drawing room where you can add up your sofa set like this, or else coming to the bedroom area, you can add up your bed over here, side table as well. Here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and here you can have a look at the space. There is ample of space inside this room to move around. Now let's explore the other room, which is just opposite to this room. So walking through your dining space, we have your bedroom number 2. And you can have a look, this bedroom is actually made as a kid's bedroom where they have added up the single bed. We have a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Study table is fit over here. Wardrobe is over this side. Now about your master bedroom. So this was all about your bedroom number 2. Your master bedroom is just beside this bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. So all these wonderful features are only at the Housey.com. What are you waiting for? So schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. Now about your master bedroom. So your master bedroom is right over here. Once you enter, let's focus upon the flooring. Basically, all the bedroom comes up with vitrified flooring. And this is your spacious room, the most spacious room of the house, where you can add up a huge bed in the center of the room with a side table over here, or as a storage space. We have a window, perfect for ventilation and lighting purpose. Now about the wardrobe, where you can add up your wardrobe right over this side. Even over this side, you can add up your work table, your dresser, your storage space, whatever you like. And about the private washroom, so yes, we have a private washroom right this side. Private washroom, I can call it as a master washroom, which comes up with anti-skid flooring and CP sanitary fitting, where the sink area is offered inside itself and shower area is divided by a tile drop. So now this was all about your 3 BHK model flat at this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Kelambakkam location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, then again drop down in the comment section. Lastly, if you're looking for more details of the project, do not forget to click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet. And even give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.